Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Tango account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, click on the Tango application. Here, if you had used your Google account, then click on Continue with Google option. Or if you had used your mobile number, then click on Continue with SMS option. Here, I'll click on Continue with Google. So that is how you can log into your Tango account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.